Once we understand the basic construction of an ellipse, it becomes quite straightforward to make drawings of cylindrical objects. One of the key things to think about is that elliptical objects are based around a central axis. What will happen on one side will generally happen on the other. The distance from the center line, meaning that we have a kind of mirror image on one side to the other. The ellipse that we see, which is closest to our eye level, will be shallow. And as we move down the object, we increasingly see more of the ellipse until we get to the base. In this instance, if we've got water, then we may see a slightly distorted version of that water. But we'll again have something roughly corresponding to an elliptical form. There may, of course, be various distortions happening, but that's really an issue of light. If we're looking at the same object on its side, then we need to think about the center line being at an angle. What we'll also discover is that our ellipses tend to be formed in a particular way. So what happens is that the center line becomes the direction of the minor axis. So if you think about this center line, it's in the direction of the minor axis. This one will also be doing the same. So again, what's happening on this side will be mirrored by what's happening on this side. If we think about the idea of the ellipse being at right angles to this line, then generally that gives us the direction of the ellipses as they're formed. Again, this ellipse, which is closest to our eye level, will tend to be flatter than this one away. Also, as this is moving away in space, then these sides won't be parallel. I mean, obviously this bottle isn't quite straight anyway, but they will actually taper off eventually, going towards a vanishing point.